Students, let's do exercise of the lesson, make it shorter. Question answer we had already done. Now next, say aloud. Which letters cannot be heard when we say these words? First we will pronounce the word. I will speak the words, then you repeat it, and then we will see which word is cannot be heard. Short, shorter. See here H is cannot be heard here in short. When we speak shorter, R is also somewhat silent. Short, shorter. Bright, here in bright, G is silent, right? Bright, brighter. Then dark. In dark we do not speak R. Darker. Again, light, lighter. G is silent, like bright, light, G is silent. Big, bigger. Okay, we speak B but not too clearly. Big, bigger. Here are fast, faster. In these two words, not any particular word which we cannot be heard. But here in these four, short H, bright G, dark R, light G. Okay, again repeat after me. Short, shorter. Short, shorter. Bright, brighter. Bright, brighter. Dark, darker. Dark, darker. Light, lighter. Light, lighter. Big, bigger. Big, bigger. Fast, faster. Fast, faster. Okay, this is the exercise on page number 113. Now turn the page 114. See here. Team time. Discuss with your partner and draw pictures to show the following. Here we have to draw some pictures, but first we will have to read this. The ball on the left side is bigger than the one on the right side. The left side ball, here we have to draw the ball, is bigger than the one which is on the right side. So here we have to draw bigger ball and here smaller ball. Okay, again you read and then do it by your own. Then I will send you the answer. Rita is shorter than Radha. Here Rita and here Radha. So who is shorter? Rita. So Rita here short girl and Radha is long. Raghu's basket is heavier than Ratan's. So Raghu's basket is heavier. So Raghu's basket is heavier basket and Ratan is lighter. So draw like this. Rajat is taller than Raj. Rajat is taller than Raj. So Raj is short and Rajat is tall. So here draw tall Rajat and short Raj. So draw here by your own. Then I will send you the answer. Then you check the answer. Okay, students? Okay, students. Now, after this exercise, on page number 115, there is one more story. Picture story. The mouse and the pencil. Here, this is the story of one mouse and pencil. You also see the picture and let's read. One day, a little mouse was looking for something to eat. He found a pencil. This mouse is looking for something to eat. He is hungry, right? So he found a pencil. I am going to bite you, said the mouse, and he bit it hard, right? Then he got the pencil and he told that I am going to bite you, and then he also beat it hard. उसको bite किया. You are hurting me, said the pencil. Let me draw you one last picture and then you can do what you like. Then pencil told, let me draw one last picture. फिर मुझे खाना. Very well, said the mouse. पेंसिल ने बोला एक लास्ट पिक्चर मुझे ड्रॉ करने दो, फिर तुम मुझे खा सकते हो, फिर जो तुमको करना है वो करो. Then mouse said okay. The pencil drew a big circle. Is that a cheese? Asked the mouse. First pencil drew a big circle. Then Mask asked, is that a cheese? Okay. Turn the page. We will call it a cheese, said the pencil, and it drew 3 little circles inside the big one. Okay. The pencil told that तुम cheese कह सकते हो. Then again he drew 3 circles. One here he has already done. It has. Then again second here and third inside it. That's an apple, squeaked the mouse. Again mouse asked that, oh, it is an apple. Let's call it an apple, said the pencil, and it began drawing some funny curved things near the second circle. Okay, pencil told that you can call it apple, and then pencil drew some more things in that, added some picture. Why, those are cucumbers, said the mouse, licking his lips. Now he drew this. Then mouse thought, oh, it is a cucumber. I wish you would hurry. I simply can't wait to get my teeth into them. Now mouse could not wait till pencil complete the picture. So he said, I wish you would hurry. जल्दी करो चलो मुझे भूख लगी और मुंह में पानी भी आ रहा है. The pencil drew 2 little triangles on the top circle. Now what pencil drew here? 2 triangles. Right? Oh ho, squeaked the mouse. Now you have made it like a cat. Don't go on. Oh, अब उसको पता चल गया कि pencil is drawing a cat. So mouse is telling don't go on. Don't go on means ज़्यादा उसको draw मत करो. But the pencil went on till it had drawn long whiskers and a mouth on the top circle. Now what pencil had done? Pencil had drawn 2 whiskers. Whiskers means this portion. Right? Whiskers. And a mouth on the top circle. And here mouth. And the mouse cried out in terror, oh, it's a real cat. Help. Then you all know that mouse afraid of cat. So he thought that, oh, it's a real cat. Help. Or wo bhaga. Now see, if you can draw a cat that looks real enough to frighten away the mouse. Now pencil has drawn so real type of cat that mouse thought, oh, it's a real one. So he afraid and he ran away. Can you draw such cat which looks real? Okay, then try to draw. Okay, after that story, on the same page, page number 117, you have to describe the cat in your own words. Here I have written some sentences. You can write these sentences and you can also add some more different sentences too. See, the cat has a round face with 2 long ears and 4 whiskers near her mouth. Right? The cat has round face with 2 long ears and 4 whiskers. It is called whiskers near her mouth. She has 4 legs that you all know. She is white in color with a long tail. She is also black in color, grey in color, right? But here I have written she is white in color with a long tail. She is very fat and she is always looking out for mice. She is very fat and is always looking out for mice. She is very fat and she likes mouse. So she is always looking for mice. So here you write about cat. Students, again on page number 119, you have given practice for cursive writing. So do this page in your English textbook. The sentence is a cat on the mat. So here first trace all these words and letters. Okay, and do practice for cursive writing. Okay students, now let's do one more activity which is given on page number 118, a pencil cap. Now see here, for this pencil cap you need, see here, chart paper, Fevicol, scale, scissor, pencil and black sketch pen, and you can also use color. Now see, first what you have to do, here you have to measure your craft paper with scale 2 inches. Okay, then you have to use with your scale 2 by 2 inches craft paper you have to cut, and then you have to cut it and make a proper square. After cutting it, you have to draw some design on that craft paper like this. Any design you can draw. Then frame, make this, fold it like this, and then with glue paste it here like this. And then cut the extra part of that paper. So in this way your cap is ready, pencil cap. You can use any chart paper and do like this. Okay, so do this activity.